Hey y'all. All right. Um, we're just outside of my garage here, and I want to test out an idea, kind of a theory that I've heard before that older headlights don't put out as much, they degrade over time, and they don't put out as much as newer headlights. So, um, I went and bought some new headlights the other day for the dually, which is over there. And what I'm going to do is we're going to do a little test of the headlights. And I'm going to pull it out from there, back it out from there, and I'm going to aim it at the garage door here. I'm going to see what is the difference between new headlights and old headlights. So let me get this garage door shut and we'll see what it's like. Go ahead and ease the hood down. I was going to do that, change out the headlights in here. It's not that hard to get to them. It's a little difficult, but it's not too bad. So I'm going to pause this while I move the truck over there, and then I'll bring you back when I got the headlights on and got the truck moved. Be right back. Okay, y'all. All right. As you can see, headlights are on. Now these are the headlights that this truck came with when we bought it. That's been over a year ago. You can see this one here, the left side looks like it's a little bit higher than the right side. You might be able to adjust these, I don't know. But anyway, let me get the new headlight, let me get this shut off, get the new headlight bulbs out, and get some lights on, and we'll see what's what. Okay? So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to pause this, but I'm going to make some marks. Well, I'm not going to make any marks because that's not really going to prove anything. I was going to make marks on the door, to show where the headlights are showing at. And I may still do that, to adjust the headlights. But you see, this is what the old ones are like. And like I said, I have no idea how old these are. But let me go ahead and get that shut off. Alright. And I'm going to go ahead and get some lights turned on here in the garage. Garage door back open. And get to changing these headlight bulbs out. But I would also like to say thank you all so much for all the likes and the shares and the subscribes, all the thumbs ups. It's really great. I appreciate it so much. Now up over 3,460 something. I think 3,468, 67, something like that. Subscribers. It's really amazing. I really appreciate it. Alright, let's see. New headlight bulbs. I went and I got the Silver Star Ultra 9004. Now, yes, I know these headlight lens assemblies, they came with the truck. This one, the silver backing, if you look in there, the silver backing is starting to come loose. This one's not as bad. This one is usually a little bit brighter. But, okay, let's see. The headlight bulb is just right down there. And there's just a lock ring down there. You just turn it like a quarter of a turn and there you go. So, yeah, that gray, the gray colored, light colored part, that's a lock ring. So, and then you turn it like a quarter turn, and the whole assembly, you pull it, you wiggle it, and pull it back at the same time, and it comes out. Now don't touch the bulb because it's probably going to be hot. Although if you do touch the bulb, you pretty well ruin the bulb, because your oil off your hands will screw it up. But right there it is. Okay. You know, that one doesn't look all that old. Let me get out the other one over here. It might be a little easier to see. Okay. See, it's right down there. Alright. See that light colored ring there? You just turn it a quarter turn counterclockwise. And then you start wiggling the whole thing. And it comes out. Right there it is. Yeah, we replaced these. Yeah. Okay. Oh boy. Alrighty. Okay, well, I'm going to put these in anyway. I really need all the help I can get. That these headlight assemblies, they've got to be changed out. They've just got to be. So, anyway, okay. I'm going to carry on here and get these changed out. So, but show you how change these out real quick. It's very easy. Yeah, let's see. You just, all you got to do is that clip, this clip right here, you got to defeat that. All you do, you see how it works there. You just pull on it a little bit, this comes out. I think this is like the lower, you know, not as bright headlight bulb. So, okay, I'm gonna get this new package open. I'm gonna pause this. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. We're gonna go ahead and put the ring right here, okay? And the headlight bulb actually has notches on it. Has notches on it made into it, you see? And they correspond with the locking ring right there, see? The locking ring comes up through those notches, and then it can allow it to lock onto that. So, what I'm going to do, put that on there. We're going to put this in here. Yeah, you just have to turn it till the headlight falls into its place, and then you do the same thing with the locking ring. It falls into place, and then you just turn the locking ring quarter turn, and then it's all over with. Okay? Alright. So now you know how to replace that, so I've showed you how to do it, showed you how I do it. And now I'm just going to do the driver's side. It's a little harder to do, and it's kind of boring. So I'm going to do that real quick. Be right back. Okay, I've got that in. The new one in over here. Get the light over here. So got the new one in. best thing to do on this side is to put the bulb and that lock ring in together. Do not hook your wire clip to it yet. Put your light bulb in with the lock ring first, then do the wire do your wire hookup after that. And look through the lens to help you get the bulb. Look through the lens to help you get the bulb centered in the hole. Now I know the lens has got these things in it, but you can see, I can see the bulb in there, you know, so that helps you get it lined up. Not perfectly, but you can line it up. And I'm looking out here. Okay, wait a minute, there's an adjustment right there. Yeah, there's an adjustment right there to help adjust this thing. So maybe I can use that to help adjust these headlights a little bit. Yeah, maybe I can do that. Okay. Alright, I'm going to turn those lights off and shut the door like before, and we'll see what we got here. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we're back, and I have to say, I think there is a difference. I think it's significant. Yeah. But now, also, when the camera was off, I also found this other adjusting screw. Oh yeah, it's right there. It's right here below the headlight assembly. So I think I'm going to try to get this one to go down a little bit. Maybe get that one to go up a little bit too. So anyway, let me turn the headlights off and turn the regular lights on. And well, I'll tell you what, let me try adjusting it first, and then I'll show you the adjusted screws. Okay? Got that one adjusted down a little bit. Okay. I think that is a significant improvement right there. They're both shining about in the same place in the door. So let me shut this truck off and turn some lights back on and let you see stuff, okay?